In this Bubble tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can use the arrow keys to navigate up and down records in a repeating group. I wanted to record this video showing the new Bubble table element, however that hasn't quite got the right data sources linking them into your workflows to make that possible. So this is using a repeating group, and I can navigate up and down with my arrow keys, and if I want to view Peter's record, I navigate to Peter and I hit enter on my keyboard and I'm taken to Peter's page. Now, before I launch into it, did you know that we have got the website planetnocode.com where you can find Bubble tutorial videos that you cannot find on YouTube. We've got a fantastic membership offer going on right now, so head to planetnocode.com. But back to the tutorial. Let me show you how I've built this. So I have been using the Air keyboard shortcuts by Zerocode, and I've got 3 of them on my page. That's because I've got one for enter. In fact, let me relabel this. This is enter. And then I've got 2. I've got one for down. And I've got one for up. Okay. And then for my workflows, well, let's go for, up first. So I have a custom state on the page, and that is going to store an index value for the row that we currently have highlighted. So let me show you on the page. I've created a custom state called selected row, and its number, and the default is 1. I then, on my in my repeating group, I have a conditional statement saying when current cell's index, so for example this is cell 1, is my custom state's selected row, I change the background color. That's how I give the visual feedback to the user of which row is selected. So when I hit up, all I need to do is take the custom state selected row and -1. When I hit down, all I need to do is the contacts selected row +1. Now you may have spotted something that I've missed here, and if you have a solution, leave it down in the comments, but I'll give you a hint. What happens if the custom state selected row is 1 and you -1 from 1, you get 0. How would you prevent that? If you've got an idea how to do that, leave a comment below. I have an idea, but I thought I'd leave you with a little challenge. And then enter. What happens when the user presses the enter key? So this is the bit that can't currently be done with the Bubble table element. They just haven't got the ability to list through the entries of a table element. It's just not built in yet. So this is my repeating group, list of contacts, and then I select item number and I match the number up to the custom state selected row. And so that way, if the user has started on 1 and they've hit the down arrow, it's 1 + 1, so they go to 2. That updates our contact selected row to 2. And so this is then saying go to the second item in the repeating group, and that's how I send them through to the page. So there you have it. That is how to add some handy keyboard shortcuts to a repeating group that you're presenting as a table, so you can use the up and down and enter keys to help your users navigate around your app.